Hey guys, this is Tim Dawson with Mounts Automotive. Today I got a 2014 Dodge Ram 1500 Hemi. This truck is four-wheel drive. I'm going to walk you around and show you some features on this truck real fast. Tires on this truck are practically brand new, plenty of tread left. Aftermarket rims on this truck as well too. Got the nice chrome running boards at the bottom. This truck is a non-smoker as well too. There's no cigarette burns in the seat, there's no funny smells, no cracks or fading in the dash. We do offer financing as well. We have rates as low as 4.24. We also have guaranteed credit approval as well too for people that are trying to rebuild their credit. These mirrors actually fold up as well too in case you're towing something. You have the tow mirrors there. Power seats. Again, no rips or stains in the seat here. This truck is a non-smoker, no funny smells, no cracks or fading in the dash. Here's a good shot of the inside of this truck. This truck is four-wheel drive. There's your gear shifter there with the turn knob. Got a backup camera on this truck as well too. Power rear sliding window. You have all your steering controls right here on your steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth, all that stuff. The truck currently has 62,000 miles on it. Again, it's a clean Carfax. If you have any questions on this truck, please give me a call or text 309-310-3034. Thank you. Here's a good view of the back seat. Again, there's no tears back here as well. No funny smells in the truck. You can see the seats are extremely clean on this truck. Carpet is very clean as well too. One more shot of your rims and tires on this truck. Again, plenty of tread left on the tires. This truck is equipped with a backup camera and a tow package as well. Got the nice spray and bed liner in the back of this truck too.